Welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today I've got a yoga class to stretch and shine. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So come standing on your mat. Let's take a deep breath in here. And as you breathe out, just feel your shoulders drop. Breathe in again. And as you breathe out, just feel yourself just letting go of anything that's disturbed you, distracting you. Let it float away like clouds on a sunny day. And breathe in again. And this time, as you breathe out, just feel yourself just being here just for the next couple of minutes in this class. And so we're going to widen our legs. We're going to come into this pose, God or Goddess pose. And we're going to stand and be in this pose really, really strong. Bringing our hands to our heart center. And as you breathe in, just taking a breath in, taking our hands to the sky and breathing out and bringing them down. And this time, as you breathe in, just saying to yourself, I stand strong. Breathing out, and I let go of all those things that no longer serve me. Breathe in again. I breathe in and I stand strong. Breathing out and coming down, letting go of anything that no longer working for me. One more deep breath in. I stand strong. Breathing out, letting go of things no longer working for me. Just bringing your hands to your heart center, just feeling those words. And then coming up slowly. This time coming to the side, bringing one knee down. And as you come forward, I'm calm and I'm clear. Breathing out, coming down. Breathing out, I'm calm and I'm clear. Just stretching. And breathing out and coming down. One more time, breathing in, I'm calm and clear. And then coming down. Let's come over to the other side. Bringing one foot forward, and the other foot back, knee down. Breathing in, I'm calm and clear. Hands coming down. Breathing in, I'm calm and clear. Hands coming down. One more time, breathing in, I'm calm and clear. Coming forward and hands coming down. And then bringing the other foot and knee down, just coming down. Taking your feet, taking your legs apart and just coming down. Taking a breath, feeling your strength. Breathing deeply, oxygenating your body, relaxing your mind, feeling strong in yourself. And then coming up slowly, coming up, taking your hands to your feet and just letting yourself just hang here. Maybe do yes and no with your head, yes and no, yes and no. Might want to bring your hands to your elbows, feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your legs, your back. even your neck. And then coming up slowly. Widening your legs. Stretching up. And then just coming down. And then taking the opposite arm to your foot and the other arm just coming up, feeling a lovely twist here. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, come to the center. Let's go over to the other side, breathing in, coming up, breathing out, coming to the center. Now you might be able to just stay here or take your hands behind at the ankles, or you even maybe just here and just feeling a lovely stretch again on the back of your legs. Just taking a deep breath here and then coming up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, coming into mountain pose, Tadasana, just feeling yourself standing strong, taking a deep breath here, feeling the light that's making you shine, making you feel strong in yourself. Just feeling that for a moment. And then gently opening your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your energy with me. I hope you enjoy the practice, and I look forward to practicing with you again. And do share this with somebody who would appreciate feeling their shine as well. So until next time, namaste.